Welcome to another episode of the Rotator Expert. Again, this is kind of my journey episode. As you can see, I'm outside enjoying a nice, warm February day here in Georgia. I thought we would do another update. Last time we talked about a month ago, discussed about kind of all the interesting comments I got, and then we talked about where we're going. And so I want to give you a little update of where we are right now, which is super exciting to me. If we look at the YouTube channel, we have about 4,340 subscribers, which is amazing. 4,000, over 4,000, almost 4,500 subscribers. So that's been great. We have seen a bump recently. I'm not sure. I don't know what happened. What happens at the end of the year and the beginning of the year. But when we just started towards the end of January, beginning of February, has really bumped up a lot, both in viewing. And there's a few things we may have done last time about trying to get people to get connected to the right video at the right time. So we have been doing over the last few months, putting our videos into playlists. So the playlists connect different videos or similar videos about similar time frames. I think that's helped some too. I think just being here for a while and being present and keep on putting out content helps people have confidence and will come back and view us. So thanks so much if you've subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please comment as well. I'm going to ask you for a specific comment a little bit later. And please do the notification bell so you know when a new video comes up. So we've been doing well on that, and we're excited about that. Actually, interestingly enough, we talked a little bit of revenue once, right? So as soon as you get more than 1,000 subscribers, you can monetize. So you can you don't get to choose what ads are there essentially, but you can monetize those ads. Interestingly enough, when you have 1,000, you can monetize. I've not seen much actually change in the revenue that I've gotten from YouTube between 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Actually, the last few weeks has been increased, but in general, I made, I think, about $3 a day in the beginning, and then over probably the last, so when I had about 4,000, I've made about between $5 and $6 a day. So I'm a little bit bigger, but not anything to really write home about. Nothing to quit my job for, that's for sure. So that's interesting. Just thought you might be interested in that. Instagram, we have about 300 subscribers. We have about 1,100 subscribers to the newsletter, so that's super cool too. I think we're beginning to get some traction. People are beginning to hear about us and want to know more about us, so that's really cool. And so what we're going to proceed to do more we're still working on the shorts. YouTube now allows more shorts, and so we're trying to figure out how to get some more shorts together. When I say we, I mean me and my son Eli. Eli's the one who produces that. You've seen a video about that. So we're trying to figure out how to get shorts in more because I think it's interesting, and people like a short little blurb more than maybe 4 to 5 to 6 minutes of video with me. But we're going to try to do that. We're going to change that up. Also, we're really trying to explore what the community needs. We're really trying to figure out how can I serve? And I know the information is important, but there's other things that we can do. I think certainly the private Facebook group is super important for people to kind of interact because you're on the journey together. I'm on that journey, but I'm not on the journey the same way as you are, right? I think that piece is really important so you can be on that journey together so you don't feel alone, but also you need maybe a guide, and that's what I'm trying to be, as a guide, and trying to figure out how I can better serve you as a guide. So what we're going to do actually is we're going to put this out in our private Facebook group, and I'll also put it out here. I want to talk to a few people, probably 5 to 10 people, a Zoom call, probably a half hour. So a Zoom call, kind of get your experience, get your thoughts about the channel, and also kind of the struggles you're going through and what we may be able to do to help you. I'd really interesting to see what you feel you need and what you're not getting, and see if there's some way that I can help facilitate that need. So if you're interested in, again, a half hour Zoom call with me, and you're welcome to ask any question you want to when you're on that call. Well, mostly any question. Just put in the comments, sure, I'd love to talk, or I'd like a Zoom call, and we'll try and figure out how to get that together. Obviously, you don't have to tell me who you are, and over Zoom, we probably can be pretty anonymous if that's what you prefer. And again, I'm going to put that out in the private Facebook group as well. So if you say something, you say yes, and you're also part of the private Facebook group, those are not always the same username. So if you say it once, you might in one place, and once the other place, you actually might get it twice. It just let me know you're the same person, so that I can make sure that we have, again, 5 or 10 people who I can spend a little time with and trying to better understand your struggle, and trying to figure out how I can help you better. That's probably it. So we will keep on trying, keep on getting better, keep on trying to learn how to support you better and how to give better content and more important content. So thanks so much. Again, please like the channel, please subscribe to the channel, please hit not the buzzer, no, bell, so you can get the next video when it comes up. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.